Now it's clear. Now let's go to the plan view. Now there is something I want to show you that deals with moments. You can remember the moment diagram, the bending moment.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we have areas with zero bending moments, especially at the edge of the beams. So the software
Yes, sir.
will always assume all points as fixed points
Okay.
or as fixed connections, but we have some hinged joints, we have some pinned. So we should at least define it in this software so that when it will be designing, we'll get some realisticness when it comes to the bending moment, and also we'll be saving on material, because where we have a fixed joint, we usually have both the sagging moment and the hogging moment.
Yeah.
So at mid span, we can have the sagging moment, and then at the support, we usually have the hogging moment. But those hogging moments are not. Let's pick a column that is between grid A1, for instance.
Okay. Yeah, grid A1 and
Yes, that column there. Just zoom.
okay.
Zoom it out. Zoom again. Yes.
Okay.
So if that's fine. No, zoom. I want also to see the beams. You can see now B1. Yes, at that point is fine.
Yeah.
So beam 1B at the left side, it's hinged, but yes, it's hinged to that place. But if you won't tell the software that end should be hinged, it will assume it as a fixed end. So you should try to define the end conditions of your beams. Advantage of that is that, one, it helps in saving some reinforcement, because you need lesser reinforcement at that point, unlike when it is at fixed end. So let's just click on that beam 1. Just select beam 1, not column 1, just beam 1.
Okay, sorry.
Yes, right click.
All right.
So if we just move down, we look at some where we have update beam end condition. Just move down among those options that we have. Yes, up. Yes, just around there. Just slightly down, slightly down. Yes, that one.
Yeah.
You can see
Yeah.
update beam end condition. So the first option that we have is no hinge. That means that those places are fixed. And that's what is assumed at the start. Then we have both end hinged. And then we have hinge at left. Left is usually denoted with I. And then hinge to the right, which is J. Right can also be the north side or the upward side, and then I also become the lower side or the downward side. So for that side, you should choose option 3, which say hinge at left.
Okay. This one.
Yes, that one. Just click on it. Say apply to the selected beam.
Okay.
Yes. Just click OK. So you can see there is an additional bubble, a red bubble.
Yes.
Near column 1. So that's how we ought to define our beam end conditions. So let's
All right.
try for beam 118. Select beam 118, just the one which is adjacent to it. Yes, that
Beam
one, the
1 8.
vertical. Beam 18.
This one?
No. That is beam 20. There is the one to the left.
To the left. Okay, this one.
Yes, that one.
Okay, this is beam 18.
Beam 18, yes. Just
Yeah.
select and then right click, and then let's define its beam end condition.
Okay.
For that one, we are going to choose the last option, which is hinge to the right, because that's on the upper side.
Okay. I see. All right. Apply.
Yes. Now let's.
So, can we go over this, please? How do you tell that this one is on the lower side, the I, and the J is on the upper side?
No, we have axis. We have north
Axis.
south,
Okay.
east west. So toward the positive side is usually denoted with J. That's how I can understand it. When we are moving to the northern side in the Cartesian plane,
Yeah. Okay.
when you are moving to the northern side or you are moving to the right side, you usually have a positive number. So that one will be given as a J. But when you're moving to the left or south, you get a negative value. That's I.
Okay. Okay. If I get you right, meaning we are referencing this column. So meaning when we took initially this the first beam one we are referencing it towards this column which is coming to the left hand side, right? Is that
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And this other beam, this beam 18, we are referencing it towards this same column, but we are going upward to meet the column. That it means
Yes.
we are okay. Okay, see.
And we are not referencing it towards the lower side because at the lower side it is a fixed end, and by default
Okay.
all these uh, connections or joints have been defined as fixed because that's the worst case scenario. But you want
Okay.
to at least relieve the fixed, you want to be more specific. Even if you design it like that, it will still be okay, but you use more reinforcement. So you want just to come up with a more economical design
Okay, I
by
see.
eliminating the hogging moments at the supports, because there will be no moment at that support will be zero, but the moment at this other joint at the support, like at, let's say at column 27,
Yeah,
if you draw your bending moment diagram,
this one.
yes, you'll see there will be like it will be raised a bit. It will go up. It will start at column C39. It will be zero, right?
Yeah,
And then as you move to the midspan of beam 1, it will be a bit higher. It will be a bit lower, and it will be more. And then as you move to column 27, it will rise. It will not go. It will not be zero. So it will rise. It will have some hogging moment on top of that support. If you can just visualize it well.
yeah, sure.
So we want to assign all places that we know we are going to have zero moments. We have to assign them as a hinged end so that we have actually that zero bending moment at that places. So you should select all columns that will be going to J, and those should be I, and then you just assign at once. So let's just try to pick. So you can escape,
Okay.
just escape.
All right.
Yes. Now hold Control button and let's just select. We can start with those with J. Or the
Okay,
one which
so
you are holding, I
like this
can see
one.
it's I. That's I. Let's start with
Okay,
those.
yeah. This one is I,
Yes.
and this one would be J.
No, it will be I because you are moving down.
Yeah. Okay, it will be going down, right?
Yes.
Negative. Okay, negative. Right. Okay. Okay. So let me come
So you
here.
just select them.
So cannot take this one to be
No,
J. It's going towards the right.
that is J, but you want to start with J's. So just select
Yes.
as you hold control. You want to do it. If we do it one by one, it will take a lot of our time. And no, we are
Okay.
also
Yeah.
trying to see. So just
All
hold
right.
control button.
Control. Yeah. Control. Yes.
Just select those which are going to. Let's start with those going to I, like the one which is closer to you. Just
Okay.
select that beam.
This one.
Yes.
Okay.
Select the one which is adjacent to it.
This one.
Yes.
All
Select
right.
again the one which is beam. That is it. That the one which is above.
This.
Yes, that one also.
Okay.
Yes, select again. Okay, let's first assign those ones. Right click. Yes, define end condition. Hinge to the left. Apply. Hello. I hope you can see. You can see
Yes. The bubbles.
the bubbles. Yes. So let's escape again. Let's select others. The one with the eye ends.
Okay.
Yes.
Can we take this?
Yes, that one can actually take it. Let's move to those which are moving down to the south. I think they're quite a number. No, that one, no.
This.
Yes, that one. Though I think we have selected it already. Maybe the one, the further right. Just move further right.
This. This one hasn't been selected. I think.
Select it. Select it.
All right.
Okay. Let's move to the far right. Near the staircase at the lower side.
This one.
Yes. Also, it's adjacent. Yes, that one.
So we are
Also,
selecting eye at the eyes, right?
the eyes. Yes, yes. Also, just move to the right side. Yes, that one. Select also the other one. Yes. Also, those which are the one which is on top of it.
This one.
No, no, that one is
This.
fixed.
Okay.
No,
This one.
the one. No, yes, that one.
This one. Okay.
Just
All
right
right.
click and just assign.
Left.
Yes, left. So let's now try and assign the J's. The J's. The J's.
Please, Mr. Lucas. I want us to go through something here. You know, this is my first time doing design using a computer. We'll always be doing the theoretical aspect, and I know you are trying to put us in the real world scenario. So in this case,
Yes.
I don't know if how you can explain to me to to know whether the at a particular point whether this point is fixed and this one is a hinge. How do you tell easily?
Okay, okay. How do you tell what is a fixed or okay? We usually consider
Or hinge?
all. We have continuous beams, huh?
Yes,
So suppose that the
like
continuous beam are considered as fixed.
these ones,
Yes,
these ones here.
those ones are fixed because they are going to have those moments. Let me just share. Maybe I can share something here shortly.
Okay,
So you can just stop sharing so that I actually share it. So
all
you
right.
you you, you also do the manual calculation. These arguments. So we are
And
just trying to.
moments at those points are zero.
The moment at these points are zero. So we are only looking at the places where we have zero moments. So as you can see, if I don't know if I have the entire plan view of this. So if we keenly observe your diagram, you can easily tell places that will be having zero moments and those that will be having the extra moments. So we want just to avoid the software detailing it with the top reinforcements.
Okay, I
It will
see.
detail based on the moments. So if you reduce your moment, it means that you have lesser reinforcement at this age, and so more reinforcement can actually be redistributed to the mid span and at the top of the spans,
The Huggins
the
spans.
hoggings,
Okay.
the hoggings. So you can see this is. So you can see how it's being detailed. Though, so for here, like we had here 2D20, but on top here we had D12,
Hello.
and
Yes,
then
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cinema go on. I get it. Cinema I get it. I'll go on my cinema now. Mr. Lucas, 1 minute, please.
it's okay.
You mean?
So once set the software, you can see how we have like 2D12 right at the edge here. But
Yeah.
as you move to the support, we also have an extra two D20 in addition to two D12 or D12. So you
Okay.
can see
Yeah.
there is an extra reinforcements here that are supposed to counter now the
The hugging
hugging
moment.
moments. But here we don't have it. So this one way of saving your client's
Cost.
cost, because now if you don't do that, this the 20 will run all along from this edge to this end here. And the steel fixers on site, they just implement whatever you have given them.
Yes.
So that's how we are just trying to define so that at least can get some lesser reinforcement at the edge or where we have the zero bending moment. So let's proceed. I think now you.
Can we start now?
Yes, 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 yes. We can start. Just select the J's. So we can move
Can we
to
take
the,
this?
yes, we can take that. That should have both J and
I. J and I, right?
J and I, both of them. So you can just select that
Okay.
and the one on, okay, just select that and then just right click because you don't have, just right click, go to the assign, just assign both. The
Oh,
second,
both.
yes, both hinge. Yes.
Okay. Let's see.
So let's select the J's.
Yeah. So we continue with the same with J's, right?
Yes. No, you have already, so just select a different one. So you can start with maybe the beam on top above that.
This one.
No, that one does not need to be defined.
This is yeah. This one is continuous, I
It's
think.
continuous. So let's choose the one which are vertical ones from the staircase to
Okay,
the,
this one. So
no,
this one will be
the one on,
okay. This one. This one.
yes,
Yeah.
yes, those ones.
Okay.
Yes. Select, I can see even the one on, hello. Yes, that
Yes,
one.
sir.
You can select that one. Yes, you can move to the far right and select the two.
This.
Yes.
Can we take this?
Yes. Right click.
Okay.
Just, yes, assign to the
The
J, J, J,
J.
J. Yes, J. Now, I think now the idea is driven. For a more realistic project, you'll actually have to go all over defining them. So I want to we just delete some extra column which I'm noticing that I don't think they are supposed to be there.
Okay.
So there is a column along grid 3 and the grid 6.
Okay, this one. Yeah,
Yes,
because I'm not seeing it. Okay, yeah.
delete
Yeah.
that column. Yes, and now there is something I want you to notice. We are having a beam with some
The
red
beam.
arrows. So that in short, they are just trying to inform you those are cantilever beams, but we don't intend to use cantilever beam at that place. So you just
Deliver.
delete them and then you just do a proper beam. Just delete them. Right click properties, go to properties. Nice. Then escape. Also, there is another beam at grid 6. I mean a column. So just delete the column. Also delete the beams. And then now you can do a full beam. And then let's try and assign the wall loads. No. Just no need of going there. Just cancel. Let's use the shorter way. Just click a beam with wall loads. Just select a beam that has already been assigned the wall loads. Right click, copy.
We copy wall loads, right?
Yes. Then select.
I select this beam now.
Yes, select that beam. Go paste.
I paste copy beam load.
Exactly. Yes. Let's go to the next beam.
I'm here.
Now, so as you can see now, we have finished modeling. That's the ground floor. The next thing that you want to do is just to copy that floor to the subsequent floors. So you will go to building setup.
Come again.
Okay, let's go to 3D of we see what we have.
Okay.
So far we have the ground floor and only the walls, and the walls that are on the beams that are
First floor.
ground floor beams. So we want to actually create the first floor. But because the first floor and the ground floor are symmetrical, for now we'll assume that they will be symmetrical, like they look alike. They are typical. In fact, the right term to use, they are
Yes.
typical floors. So we just generate the ground floor to the first floor. So to do that, we
Okay.
usually go to building setouts. Building setouts
Okay.
on top there, yes, and then go to story operations. Story operations. Not edit story, go to generate story. Generate second last option. Now, we want to generate our what's called our source story and the target story. We are generating source story is the story 1, which is the ground floor, to the story 2, which is the first floor. So you can see the two partitions. Huh? So on the
Yeah.
source story, you click story 1, and then on the other side, you click story 2.
You mean like here? This is
Yes,
story one here, and here story two.
yes,
The target story, right?
the target story.
Story two.
Then you just click OK. Now you can
Okay.
see process completed. Once you the process completed, you just close. But now on top here, we usually don't have this. You have the AutoCAD.
Yes, sir.
On top here, we had like a roof. So for this case, this what we are going to do, we are going to only transfer this load, the roof load, to the slab, and then we just design it.
Okay.
So we want to delete the walls because we don't have walls on top there. Neither do we have the parapet wall. So you can see the view cube. Click front.
Uh, Click
View
what?
cube. There is the view cube. There is on your top right corner.
All right. Front. Yeah.
Yes. Click front. Yes. So once you click front, just select the top walls. You can do like a window selection from right to left. You just select those walls and then you delete them. Yes, like that. Right click. Now, do not delete, don't delete beams, but delete loads. Delete loads, wall loads. Yes, that one. No, move below.
This
No,
one?
not that one. That one you
Okay,
can move.
delete wall loads. Okay.
Yes. Now select those one which you didn't select the other time. Okay, now let's go to the second floor plan.
Okay.
Select a slab, select just a slab for the second floor. Then you just right click.
This slab.
Yes, you can select when you are in 3D or in 2D. Just right click, go to properties,
Mm-hmm.
click properties. Under properties, you should go to
Yes.
loads, go to loads. So you can move these Google Meets. It's just a bit distracting me a bit. Just move it aside, kidogo.
All right.
Yes. Oh, nice. Yes. Just put it there. Now, under loads, we want to change. Okay, for the dead loads, we can actually do 1.5. For the imposed load, okay, just click there, enter value. There is enter value. There is a small icon there which shows that enter value. So just
Yeah.
choose, that's a roof,
Yes. Flat roof.
flat roof, yes. Yes. So you can just leave it there. Even those slabs are now representing the iron sheets, the timbers, and everything. Because that's only
Okay.
what you are interested with their weight. So another thing, live load, just 1.5 will just be fine, though it won't be more than that. You can right click,
Like,
and then you also have the roof load. Hello. There is
yeah,
also
roof
the
load.
roof
Yes.
load. So at that roof load,
They,
you can add maybe one.
okay.
Slow load, you don't have any. Just click a bit.
So we can leave the self weight and the dead load like this, right?
Yes. So maybe we can go to no. That's even the self weight is quite. Go to general. Self weight is usually auto calculated. So maybe you can just reduce the thickness to 125.
Because this is the roof. 125, right?
Yes. Then just click apply. Now you should notice the slab that you have actually modified. So you can delete the other slabs and then you now fix that. Hold control, delete. Fine. Now let's click.
So we
Yes, you
can
can
use
now
these
choose that
properties now.
slab. Yes. Okay, if you can go to the plan view, I think no, don't undo, just
Uh,
go
uh,
to the plan view. Yes.
Okay.
Go to the views, story, double click story 2. Double click story 2. You have not yet selected story 2.
All right.
Double click.
Yes.
Yes, just select. No, properties. Yes, very good. Now, you see the beams for the top roof, those beams are quite large. So you can reduce them to maybe 300.
Okay.
So how do you do that one at once? I want to show you the easiest way to do it. Let's go to the structure tree and then we select beams. Yes, select beams. So select the first one and then you
Yeah, like
press
okay.
shift. You
Yes,
select,
you showed me this yesterday.
yes,
Sorry. Okay, shift, right?
yes, shift.
Oh, let me just do. Let me escape. I select the first one. I
Hold
hold
shift,
shift. Okay.
right click.
I'm gonna right click.
There is what's called member table. Go to member table below the almost at the lower side of that dialog box.
Member
Yes.
table. Okay.
Choose beam table.
Okay, let me take note of something here.
Beam table. Beam table.
Beam table.
Yes. So under beam table, we select on the 450 H. Select H mm. We have BW, we have H. So just select H. Click on top of where we
Edge.
have H. Yes. H for height. Just click on top. Yes.
This one.
Yes, that one. Because we want
All
to
right.
work on the head. Then go, there is an editor, like a pen, just on top, just beside that.
This.
Yes, click on that. Now, just come here and try to,
Make it clear.
okay, there is the icon that's showing moving downwards. Huh? Hello? No, 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 no. We are only
Okay,
on the,
this one.
yes, that one. Click on that. So go,
Okay.
move down, choose a beam that you need, 300.
300. Okay.
Yes, click OK. That's the minimum beam depth. Because the
Okay.
450, it was in addition to the slab.
Yes.
But now we want just to use the minimum. So we are done. You can simply close it. There
Okay.
is close just on top where we had the editor.
All right.
So you
So
can just see how we have it now.
yeah, they have been boiled down to 300.
All of them.
All
So
of them.
let's go to 3D.
18. Oh yes.
So far, I think we are done with the modeling of this software.
Wow.
So after we model, we like now to run the analysis, and then after analysis, we can do now the foundation design.
Okay.
As you can remember, we have done modeling, loading we did with the slabs, review. Okay, let's go to the review tab. It's also very key to actually understand how it can help you. identify some mistakes. Let's go to the review.
Review. Okay, review.
Yes. So you can see the first one is building check. You can check your model if it has some errors. Just start with
Okay,
the
yeah,
first one.
building check.
Just click on that and run it. Just say start.
Start.
Yes. So we want just to see if your model is okay or so it has no error.
Okay.
Yes. So just close. Click close, and then we have the other option, which is saying that move member to axis. So we want to ensure that when we are designing here, we didn't use any eccentricity so far. So you can just click. No need to move members to the axis. That's not necessary. Relabel
Which one?
member.
The
No need.
move member to axis.
We don't need to relabel any member. We can maybe delete the let's go to the plan view. Then I show you. Yes, you can see grid 1 is not used, 1 prime and 8 prime.
Yeah, one premise not used. Yes.
So you can just delete them. Let's go to the review, delete unused axis. So no, don't use that option. Hello, no, I want, yes, it's easier.
Oh, okay.
At time we'll have so many axes and you might not know which axis actually is not in use.
Okay.
So maybe when you have a very
So what do you do?
complicated model, you have done so many axes, they are not vertical, some are curved, some are with some other angles. So you can actually ensure that you eliminate the and. So just go delete, you see how it will work. Under
Should
review,
review.
yes, there is delete unused axis. No, don't move there, just on top there, on the panel, yes.
Oh, okay. Delete unused axis. Okay.
Yes, that's
See.
optional. Delete,
Can I click?
yes, click on it. Yes,
Okay, I've seen. Okay, yeah, I've seen your point. I'm seeing this grade three. Like grade three has no use here, right?
yes, hello. Hello, nakupigia tu kidogo. Hello, hello. Yes, yes, nipe dakika kama 30 alafu nikupigie. Haya. Yes, hello.
Yeah,
Sorry for the inconvenience.
it's okay, sir.
Now you can delete. You can see you have so many. In fact, even I had not identified them, but I'm only learning that also we had grid D, E. So
Yeah,
that's
look at grade three and grade six. Yeah, you can see that they are not doing anything here.
yes, we just remove them now.
So we delete.
Delete. So
Okay.
it helps your model to look neater. And
Okay.
then sometimes you might get an error whereby you didn't draw axis at 90 degrees. Yeah, you didn't draw very straight axis. They are almost 90, but they are not 90 degrees. So if you go to review tab, let's go to the review tab.
Review. Yeah.
There is the next option beside delete unused axis. That is fix the almost orthogonal axis.
Okay.
So you can
I select.
yeah, you can just delete just to check whether you had any that is not orthogonal.
It's in not detected. Okay. Meaning
Yes,
it's okay.
it's okay. Then let's move to the column sections.
So in the area wherein they are detected, when you click on OK, or it will arrange it as how it arranged the one that we are unusable.
Yes, yes, it will arrange them to 90 degrees. It will now change them from, no, it's almost orthogonal, meaning it's almost 90 degrees. It could be 88 point something or 90 some, or 89 or 91. It's a bit slanted.
Okay.
Okay, when you see it with just eyes, normally you can think it is actually at 90 degrees, but it has some slightly diverted from 90, so it can be brought back to 90 degrees.
Okay.
Yes. That's when maybe you are drawing and you didn't use the control button to ensure that all your
Yes.
axes are straight. So you can just click OK, then we proceed. So let's also check another very important button here. We have this one for column sections, beam sections. Click on it. No, 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 no.
Which one? Column
Yes,
section?
column section. Click. So if maybe you have different size of columns, you'll be able to see them here. You can see now here we have not all these columns are uniform. So maybe you are intending to use uniform columns, but you realize that by mistake you have used a column that maybe you didn't intend to use. So you can easily check them in column sections here.
Okay.
Like here you have 400, 230, 400, 230, 400. You can just quickly check.
Yes, sir.
Then let's go to the beam section. Same.
Beam section. Okay, the
Yes.
same thing.
So you can see if maybe you had a different beam, just click on it. Yes. If maybe you have a different beam size, you can easily notice here.
Yeah.
You can easily notice and try to change. You'll see it by color. So it's like the beams on the ground floor are 450 by 200 or 200 by 450, and then on the upper floor, you can go move to 3D so that you actually see.
Okay.
Click on beam sections.
Okay. Yeah.
Hello.
Meeting.
Lazima nimalize session.
Meeting. Come on, meeting. Yes, sir. Sorry about that.
Yes, let's just proceed. So you can now be able to actually quickly review your model. Now we are just learning on how to review a model, because sometimes you work on a very complicated model that identifying mistakes uh, needs maybe such an easier way. And this is what makes ProtaStructure become a very user-friendly software. Just help you work with free mistake or mistake-free models.
Okay. Yeah.
So you can also check on live loads. Click on live loads. Yeah, so you can actually know whether you use the different loads that you intended to use. Okay, slab additional loads. Click on slab additional loads. So you can see on top here we have a different load as compared to the lower side.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes. Now, after review and you are comfortable that now your model is okay, now we can move to analysis. Now let's just go to the analysis tab. So So meanwhile, let's go back to the review. You can uncheck. You can uncheck that slab additional load so that our model just looks normal. Yes. Now let's go to the analysis. Go to building analysis. Under building analysis, just choose analysis. Just choose the analysis tab. And then, we have already done building check. We have already, you can see, go to pre-analysis. I want also to show you something. Go to pre-analysis. Under pre-analysis, go to edit material. We had already done editing of material. That's why I usually prefer doing, I prefer you edit your material while you are starting. Just click on, there's a button here, edit materials. No, on the dialog box
On the
below.
dialog box, edit. Okay.
Yes. So you can remember the process that you are doing at the very beginning.
Yes, sir.
So it's here. You can change that to 460, apply to all. No, apply to all.
Okay. Well, all right.
Click OK.
This
Diameters,
for the
select
columns we said 16.
16 only will do. Yes. Then for the,
For the columns,
yes, for the beams,
concrete beams. Okay, this one we are going to, we'll be left with the 2025, right? It's okay.
yes,
The
that's
grade.
okay. We just go to the slabs.
Not for the beams. So we use 12 and 16,
12 and
right?
16 will just be fine.
We apply to all? No.
No. You just no. If you say to all members to again apply up to slabs, it will interfere.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, sure.
So for the
So we come to
slabs,
the, we use 10.
yes. And then for
Come
the
to the,
links, 8.
come to the foundation.
12. No, 12 will do. 12 will just do, or 16. Click OK. Yeah, I think now we are done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can move now to analysis. And then there is the option for building. You can just do now the final building check if maybe you have any error, but you can also do it under review. Just click. So under which here we want to check on, that's fine. Just click on close. We have no error. Go to building analysis. Just click on column, wall, and the beam. No steel. Just click on the other side again. Yes, click reselect. So let me explain that reselecting bar in case the software finds that the
Should I leave this one unchecked? The beam. I'm seeing beam reinforcement
yes,
with
you should
design.
check them, select it.
All right.
Now run building model check. Yes. So as it run, let me just return a call here and then as we wait, as we give it time to run over. Click OK. Yes, hello. What's an engineer niambie? In kama 30 minutes hivi. Aha. Sasa. Yes, hello. Just close. Click close. You can see the building analysis. It has some X. After
Yes,
the
sir.
design, it should give us a tick. So I don't know why it's not showing the green tick. It should be showing the green tick. Or maybe I was distracted. I didn't really follow what we did.
Okay, well, okay, it showed me something that the I don't know combination were not defined.
Oh, combination are not defined. Let's just go and redefine it. Just close. That's why. That's why maybe it's not. So let's go to the loadings. Loading tab. Yes. In fact, we never did something here. So there's load cases and combination. Click there.
Yeah, load cases and combination. Yeah.
Yes. Click on load generator.
Load generator. Okay. Just 1 minute.
So once you click on load generator, just click. So we want to have vertical loads and horizontal loads. So for the vertical loads are the loads excluding the wind load or earthquake loads. So, and what you are considering here, our building is hardly 10-meter tall. So we can actually just design it with only vertical loads.
Okay.
But if you are actually considering the wind load, if it had actually met the height, that's above 10 meters, you will go to the vertical, horizontal, just click on horizontal. Hello. You can
Yeah.
see that I'm just talking about the dialog box here. On top here, you have the horizontal, vertical, and then you have the horizontal loads.
Okay, but vertical load combination
Yes, load
and
combination.
horizontal.
And
So we use the vertical.
we use the vertical. Just click also on the side of the horizontal so that at least you have an idea on what is there. Yes, you can see. So if you want to factor in wind load, there is this icon under wind load here. You just check it. But for now, we are not actually using, we are not factoring the wind loads. So let's
Yeah.
go back to vertical loads. The good thing about vertical load, you don't actually check anything. The settings they are okay. You only click OK. Yes, now you can see like you have the dead load G plus Q like that, all of them. Then just click OK again. Now, after you did, now you can go back to analysis. No, just go to analysis,
Okay.
building analysis. Now make sure, no, don't run building analysis. You have to check the beam column. So okay, you can run analysis without design. It's still okay, but we'll have to, for us to design at the same time, for us to do analysis at the same time design, you have to check
Okay.
the two options. Saa moja kwa Hello,
Yes, sir.
I can see it's running. Just click OK. Yes, just click OK again. Just click OK. Okay, just give it time. So it has analyzed, but it hasn't factored in reinforcements. You can only know the bending moment, but you cannot know whether the number of reinforcement the software is going to assign. Just click close. You can see there is a tick. I was telling about the tick.
Yes. Yeah,
So
this.
just re-click building analysis. Now just check design as well, and also check the other side. Run
Aaron?
the, yes, building analysis.
Do we need to take this warning into consideration? They
Which
are
one?
saying the axial load comparison warning is a difference between composed loads and slab loadings is 33.33%. Yield line approach for beam load composition may not be adequate for this model.
Comparison difference between compost load. I think you'll see it. If that warning is significant, it will show us some failure.
Okay,
And
all
we
right.
might need to increase the depth of our beams on the first, especially on the first floor. Just click OK, close. Okay, just give it time. Just close. Press close, 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 close. Now let's go to the physical model, the 3D. Now let's go to the review tab. Click on design status. Click on the design status. No. Under just review, we
Okay.
have, yes, just have visual interrogation under dim column section. No, don't come to the structure tree. Just on top here, there are these icons.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I see.
Just move to
Okay.
the right.
What are we finding? Okay, design status.
Yes, click on it. So you can see it's passing. The D is not significant. The error, we can
Yeah,
now
it is
just
passing.
ignore
I'm
it.
seeing everything is green.
Everything is green. And if you just follow it, the
Green
design
is
is still is just okay.
yeah, it's okay.
So
Wow.
I want to finish this session by just showing you how you just insert a column, and then you can proceed by doing the rest of the columns. So
Okay.
remember that we went to the setting center last time and we did some settings. So I want us to go back to the setting center.
Okay.
No, setting center has this quick access button here, the gear icon. Quick
Yeah.
access menu,
Okay.
quick access menu. Yes, that one. Double click. Go to foundation. Under foundation, we have size increment. Change it to 300. Yes, move up,
Size
up.
size
Size.
increment.
Yes. So we don't want to have so many variation of slab of columns. You want just to 300. Just click OK. Just
Okay.
click OK.
Size increment. So can you explain what the size increment is?
Okay, we are saying we are using the minimum pad width of 1000. So if 1000 fail, the next increment should be 1300.
Okay, I see. Okay.
If you
All
put
right.
100, you'll have, if you put 100, then you'll be having 1100. You know, 1000 and 1100 on sites, it's very small. So you can have so many different type of pad footing, and we want to avoid that.
All
Like
right.
want to
I see.
do like a cluster
Okay. So
also.
this one will automatically tell the software that in case my 1000 or my 1100 I used initially fails, so it needs to add like 0.3 meters to
Yeah,
the initial
0.3 to
one.
the next one. It should not.
Instead of adding 0.1, then maybe 0.1 you added may fail, then you add another one. So let's just take this 300, right?
Yes.
Okay, understood.
Just click OK, and then now you can go. The other settings were just fine. Just click
Okay,
OK, because
all right, I'm coming.
maybe the minimum depth you can start with 300, but 300 is usually very small. 400 will just be fine. Just click OK.
You mean for the depth? You mean
Yes, for the
the
depth,
footing depth?
the footing
Footing
depth,
depth, right?
400,
Okay, the
300 is
pad
usually.
depth. Okay,
You can leave it at 400, just fine.
okay. So let me say okay.
Yes, just give it OK. Now let's go to the story zero. Just double click. So, and then go to the plan view of story 0. No, just click on story 0. That's story 2. View under view tab. Yes, we are still fine. So select one of the columns. Right click. Insert pad footing. Yes, just click OK. You can see it's literally passing and we have actually done all our settings. Just click OK. So let's go to the next column. So that's how we actually factor in, or that's how we add our pad footings.
Okay.
I hope now you can do for the rest of all these
Sure. Yes, sir.
columns.
Yeah, I will do.
So we can just end our session here, and then tomorrow now we pick it from there.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. I'm glad you are a very quick learner.
Thank you.
And I'm seeing we will in the next, if we do this consistently for the next 2 weeks, then you will be good to go.
Oh,
Yes,
thank you.
today's day 3, and I can see some very positive progress.
Sure, sure.
Yes, I'm impressed.
Right.
Thank you. Let's meet tomorrow.
Yeah, the last time I saw you on TikTok, I said no, oh no, no. So I need to learn this thing. I said the way you present the things, they are very nice.
Oh, thank you, sir.